If you want YouTube on your PC or laptop as a standalone app instead of always opening it in the browser, the good news is it's super easy. You don't need any third-party software. You can install it directly as a progressive web app. So, in this video, I'll show you how to download the YouTube app on your PC or laptop with some easy steps. So let's get started. First up, open up your Chrome browser, then go to YouTube. Now click on the three-dot icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Hover your mouse cursor over the option called Cast, Save, and Share. From here, click on Install YouTube. Click Install again. Now you will see a dedicated YouTube app available on your PC. If you look at your home screen, there should be a YouTube app like this. And that's it. That's how you can quickly install the YouTube app on your PC or laptop, whether you're using Chrome or Microsoft Edge. If you found this video helpful, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.